Hi, I'm Dr. Valerie Pash, Chief Operating Officer of TheraBionic. TheraBionic has developed a revolutionary device for the treatment of cancer. The portable device emits low levels of radiofrequency electromagnetic fields that block the growth of cancer cells wherever they are in the body without affecting normal cells. This series of instructional videos are for people whose doctors have prescribed the TheraBionic device for the treatment of cancer. The video will familiarize you with the device and proper operation and maintenance. We hope that you will find the step-by-step instructions helpful as you begin your treatment with the device. If you have questions or need more information, please visit us at www.therabionic.com or email info@therabionic.com.